Hi, this is Richard, and I'm back with another Lightroom tip for you. This one's about sharpening, and more specifically, selective sharpening. Let me give you an example here. If I go to the Develop module of this image and look at the Detail section here, we see that I have a sharpening slider, and I have a masking slider as well. Now, if I just start sliding the sharpening over like this, what I'm doing is I'm sharpening everything in the image because, and more specifically, you can see that the background here would get some noise as I start increasing the sharpening. You could start to see the little dots increasing here in noticeability. And that's not what I want. I don't want digital noise in the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell Lightroom to be very specific about what it sharpens. And actually, I'm telling it which plane in which to do the sharpening. So let me give you an example. What I'm going to do is I'll slide the sharpening over just a little bit beyond 0. Now I'm going to hold down the Option key. And holding down the Option key and now sliding masking over, you can see that the image goes from all white, which means sharpen everything, to a lot of white, which would mean sharpen a lot of stuff. And as I keep sliding the slider, I'm still holding down the Option key. As I keep sliding the slider, you can see that it's now getting very specific about what's going to be sharpened here in white. What's in black doesn't get sharpened. What's in white will be sharpened. So if I move the slider over here to around 55 or so on masking, you can see that I'll be sharpening the eyes, the glasses, and the hair, and not much else, a little bit around the shirt. This is around about what I want to get sharpened. So now I'm going to release everything here. So I've adjusted the masking now to sharpen just what I want to sharpen. And that means that this area up here, where I might see some digital noise otherwise, won't get sharpened, and that's good. That's now it's intelligent selective sharpening. So let's go ahead and do the sharpening. I'll slide the sharpening slider over here, and we will see if I slide it all the way. Watch the hair. I'm going to slide it all the way back, and then all the way again. You can see it's just a subtle change in the hair. Just to show you that something is happening. I'm going to leave the sharpening at maybe 88 or so and zoom out. So just to add a little bit of sharpening there to the eyes and the glasses and the hair. And like I said, this way we don't bring in the digital noise from the background. We don't just blindly sharpen everything. We sharpen very selectively. And so that's what the masking does. And then, of course, we could apply some noise reduction and color noise reduction if we wanted to. But I think this is pretty good right here, as we have the sharpening and noise reduction as it's currently set. So anyway, that's another Lightroom tip. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you found this useful. Thank you.